Welcome to the comprehensive Udemy course, Learn AutoCAD from scratch to advanced level. If you're looking to master the world's leading computer-aided design, CAD, software, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a beginner with no prior experience or an experienced professional seeking to enhance your skills, this course is designed to take you on a transformative journey through AutoCAD. With over 200 number lessons and 80+ hours of high-quality video content, this course provides a step-by-step approach to learning AutoCAD, starting from the very basics and gradually progressing to advanced techniques. You'll be guided by an experienced instructor who has years of practical experience in using AutoCAD in real-world projects. Throughout the course, you'll learn how to navigate the AutoCAD interface, manipulate objects, create precise drawings, and efficiently use commands and tools. You'll gain a deep understanding of 2D drafting and become proficient in creating and modifying geometric shapes, dimensioning drawings, and organizing complex designs. As you advance, you'll explore 3D modeling, where you'll learn how to create three-dimensional objects, apply materials and textures, and render realistic images. You'll delve into advanced topics such as parametric constraints, dynamic blocks, and customization, enabling you to optimize your workflow and increase your productivity. Our hands-on approach ensures that you not only understand the theoretical concepts but also gain practical experience through guided exercises and real-world examples. You'll work on various projects that mimic real-world scenarios, allowing you to apply your knowledge and build a professional portfolio. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and confidence to tackle any AutoCAD project, from simple drawings to complex architectural designs. Whether you're pursuing a career in engineering, architecture, interior design, or any field that requires precise and detailed drawings, this course will equip you with the tools you need to succeed. So, are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of AutoCAD? Enroll now and unlock your full potential in computer-aided design.